We're looking to make medical devices beautiful and interesting and usable and consumer friendly.
Makes living much more independent. And I see age as a challenge. The spring is a great tool for that challenge.
At 4A, we design beautiful products for people with physical limitations.
Having patients be mobile is of paramount importance.
4A is changing the rules about the way that disabled people live.
The best part of the Spring Walker is how innovative it is. For me, the beauty of the Spring is that it's extremely portable, it's extremely easy to use, it's light, it's very ergonomic.
One of the features which we found people enjoyed the most that they hadn't necessarily identified before was the runaway brake, which prevents it from rolling off if you turn to wave to a friend or pick up the mail. As soon as the thing is a chair, it's safe to sit in.
The idea is that it's intuitive, and part of it being intuitive is that it gets out of the way when you want it to get out of the way. It's usable when you want it to be usable. It can be a seat when you want it to be a seat. It collapses really small and you can put it under your chair and you can expand it really quickly.
I want people to remember 4A as the first company that listened to the aging population, asked what do you want, and built exactly what they needed. Thank you for supporting 4A and our development of Spring.
With your help, we can get our product into the hands of the people who need it most.
Thank you for supporting 4A, and we can't wait to meet you using Spring.